Hi guys! Today we are going to cook rice in a bamboo tube. Find a mature bamboo and cut it at 2 nodes above the ground. Cut it off of smaller stems to make a clean bamboo and to make things much easier. Select the largest part of the stem and cut about 3 inches outward from each node. Each end will be placed in a bamboo notch. The 3-inch offset prevents the fire from burning the notch. Offset an inch inward from each node and saw about 1/3 deep into the tube parallel to the node. Using a machete, crack a line connecting the 2 sawed lines. Crack it open and trim the edges. Determine the rough volume of the cube by measuring the amount of water that can be poured into the cube using any cup. Ratio is important. I poured about 4 cups and it is close to overflowing. Wash the inside and scrub it with your hand. The fresher the bamboo, the easier it is to clean. After washing, discard the water. Using the same cup, the ratio for the rough volume of the tube to the cup of rice is 2:1. I poured 2 cups of rice since the rough volume is more than 4 cups. Add 2 cups of water after rinsing. The classic 1:1 ratio, or you can just use your thumb. Install the notch on the ground and use the tube as your guide. Find any dry fiber on the surroundings. It could be withered banana leaf, coconut husk, straw, or small grasses. Using a flint is a good practice whenever you catch a rain, cross a river, or get your things wet. I use dried coconut husk and a flint in my paracord watch. Gradually start the fire and maintain it while cooking the rice. A meal wouldn't be complete without we Filipinos call ulam, or we Ilonggos call sudan. So I'm going to grill chicken using also bamboo stems. Marinate the chicken using salt, pepper, and calamansi. Cut along the joints for faster cooking and to impart more flavor. Place the skewered chicken beside the tube. After 15 minutes, lightly stir the partially cooked rice. Also, turn the chickens on the other side to avoid burning. Maintain the fire for another 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, let the remaining heat cook the rice. Place a banana leaf at the opening to further soften the rice. Serve the rice in a banana leaf together with what we call ulam. This is my cooking version of steamed rice and grilled chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Kaunta namit git.